LG Electronics are considered as one of the best valued products available in the market. Though they recently pulled themselves out from the mobile market, their other electronic products will still be competing with the other best brands. To shake things up, they have a whole TV lineup coming this year with some new exciting features and upgrades. They are expected to launch various models in their OLED, QNED, NanoCell, and UHD series having different variants. In this video, we will show you the upcoming TVs of LG that will be launched in the year 2021. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting with LG's one of the finest OLED series, which offers an amazing watching experience with its fantastic OLED display. This year, they will have an expanded panel size with the OLED TVs. In their OLED series, they will be launching Z1 8K, which is sure to be a bit pricey, and some other 4K TVs with their G1, C1, B1, and entry-level A1 series. The new OLED TVs will feature top-class upscaling, Dolby Atmos audio, and HDMI 2.1 or VRR gaming features. The C1 4K is expected to have a whole new A9 Gen 4 AI processor for better performance. Though it's not going to have the new OLED EVO panels like in the G1 OLED, yet the C1 produces colorful, bright, and rich pictures with support for most types of HDR. The lower models such as the B1 and A1 series will have the A7 Gen 4 AI processor rather than a higher spec A9 model. To provide you improved brightness control and contrast over standard LCD LED displays, LG is coming with some excellent QNED TV models. They are expected to launch two 8K and two 4K models this year. Same as the OLED series, the higher models will be getting the A9 Gen 4 AI processor, whereas the lower ones will have the A7 Gen 4 AI processor. The QNED 99 8K, QNED 95 8K, and QNED 90 4K will offer 120Hz refresh rates, and the 60Hz refresh rate will be available with the QNED 85 4K. LG is also going to launch some eye-catching NanoCell TVs this year named Nano 90, Nano 80, and Nano 75. All of these models will have 4K resolution displays. Only the Nano 90 will be featuring the 120Hz display rate, and the other two models will have a 60Hz of display refresh rate. Instead of the A9 or A7 Gen I processor, the Nano models will come with a quad-core processor. With all those features, these models will have a higher price range. But if you don't have much interest in fancy kinds of stuff, then LG has got your back with their smart UHD series. This year they will offer two UHD TV models, UP80 and UP70. The UHD UP80 will come with a quad-core processor, ThinQ AI and Magic Remote, and a slim, unibody form factor design that's compatible with the gallery standard. On the other hand, the UP70 may not have a Magic Remote or a unibody design to have compatibility with the gallery stand. Still, it will offer you Google Assistance for hands-free and convenient usage. LG's biggest change this year is probably the introduction of Mini LED, an LCD TV technology also used by TCL. LG claims that thousands of tiny LEDs are combined to produce incredible peak brightness. This might not replace the OLED panel, but surely it will bring life to the LCD models. LG's WebOS Smart TV platform has some upgrades as well. The usual horizontal icon bar now will be a screen-filling interface, packed with recommended titles based on your viewing history. The LG Magic Remote has some sizable changes, and it is likely to have a new ergonomic shape for better fitting on your hands, and the NFC Magic Tap technology to enable fast screen mirroring from a smartphone. It will feature dedicated buttons for Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, and LG channels, as well as for voice assistants. Emphasizing on gaming more, regarding the launch of PS5 and Xbox, this year's LG 2021 TVs are set to feature variable refresh rate, NVIDIA G-Sync for reduced screen tearing from connected PCs, and HDMI 2.1 ports for better connectivity. All the TV models we have discussed are expected to be launched throughout the year 2021 and attract more consumers with their new, powerful processors and design. These were all we knew about the upcoming LG TVs in 2021. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. And subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.